Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to watch members only videos on YouTube. To watch members only videos on YouTube, start by visiting the channel that offers this feature. Look for the join button on their page. This indicates the channel has a membership program. Click join, then carefully review the membership details and perks listed in the description so you know exactly what content benefits you'll receive. Next, you'll be prompted to complete a payment, which usually renews automatically each month. So check for any taxes or additional charges before confirming. After your payment is processed and your membership is active, you'll unlock access to all members only videos for that channel. From there, you can explore exclusive tutorials, behind the scenes content, or special updates, enjoying everything the creator offers as part of your subscription. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.